Are y'all tired of your boring, bland kitchen? Looking to add some life and vibrancy to the heart of your home? Well, why not transform your kitchen into a mini herb garden? Imagine stepping into your kitchen and being greeted by a lush green paradise of fresh herbs. Not only will it add a pop of color, but it'll also bring a burst of flavor to your cooking. With just a few simple steps, you can turn your kitchen into a green dream. Start by finding a sunny spot near a window or on a countertop for your herb garden. Next, choose your favorite herbs to plant. Whether it's basil, mint, cilantro, or thyme, the possibilities are endless. Not only will they enhance your dishes, but they will also purify the air and add a natural fragrance to your kitchen. Don't have a green thumb? No problem. Herbs are easy to grow and require minimal maintenance. With just a little water and sunlight, your herb garden will thrive in no time. So say goodbye to boring and hello to fresh and flavorful. Transform your kitchen into a mini herb garden today and watch your cooking skills soar to new heights. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating a vibrant and beautiful home.